about LGBTQ plus subculture, we look forward hearing their insight and perspective. What is subculture? A subculture is a group of people within a larger culture who share different values, beliefs, and interests.
Hi guys, I'm Gian Villar and I'm a member of LGBT community.
What role do social media platforms play in shaping the subculture identities?
So first is I am open to my family, open dito sa akong family din. Ang social media is mo na mong from sa among mga community, from our community. Ang social media is murag second option namo for expressing ourselves to others, then expressing to.
How does fashion express your values and identity as a LGBTQ?
So as a member of that community, I'm not a cross-dresser, but so it depends sa mga tao if unsay na pagtanaw sa ako but in terms of my fashion, so pang lalaki gyud ko.
So hi guys, by the way, I am Salon Junior.
What role do social media platforms play in shaping your subculture's identity?
For me, ang role din sa social media nga shape din sa kuha is the way ko nga mag-expose bitaw akong sub sa social media. Kaya murag dira man gud pagawas bitaw akong feelings sa social media.
What role do fashion brands or influencer play in shaping your subculture style?
For me, ang role sa fashion brand para ma-influence sa kuha is kung siya maka-gain to new ideas, then also maka-create po ka na
new to express yourself. What role do social media platforms play in shaping your subculture identity?
So for me is ang social media is daghan gid siyang mga kanang role that for me gid for myself for the is ang social media is through this gid ani kay na pakita na ko kung self kung unsa gid ko or tungod ani kay murag na ako'y mga inspiration through sa mga people nga gakuan ani social media kay nasa rin mga inspiration na mga quotes na dili lagi na show yourself who you are. So mao to na nakatabang po ng social media sa ako kay tungod napakita na ko kung sa
What fashion trends or styles are characteristic of your subculture?
So as a part of LGBT, as a bisexual, so para sa kuha is ang mga fashion trends is like kanang sa mga unsay suot sa mga men like oversized t-shirt and mga luag bitaw na mga pants.